In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front bumper cover on this BMW 328i. This is going to be located in the front of your car. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this weather stripping, just pull this up. Then there's two screws on this side. Use a T30 socket, take that off. And do the same on the other side. Now we're using a 8mm socket. We're going to take these screws out. And just go along. Take those out as well. These are broken on this one. We're going to remove the whole shield. There should be two over here. There. And some in the back. There should be another one right there. Take that down and out of the way. Now take these two screws out, same 8mm socket. And that's going to be loose. Do the same on the other side. I'm going to take these screws out on the side, use an 8mm socket. Take that out. Take that out. There you go. Now pull the inner fender well out, disconnect the connector for the fog light. Just push on the tabs to the side. That's good. If there's any other wires going to it, there's a little retainer right here. Pop that off. That's good. Pull the inner fender well out of the way up top. Use a 7mm socket. There's a screw that goes up. I'm going to take that one out. Pull that out. After you take that other screw out, you're going to take further in. There's a screw right there. Use a 8mm socket. And you're going to remove that. And then that's going to separate right there. Pull that off. And you want to do the same on the other side. And grab the bumper. And it comes right off. Now take the front bumper, slide it in place. Now take this, line this up on the side, take the bolt, get that started. Get that lined up right there. Snug that down, and snug the other one down. That's good. Now I'll line the inner fender well up. Just push that back in place. Now I'll put the screws in. Right there. And right there. I'll tighten these down. Now from underneath, we're going to connect the fog lights. You could do this if you wanted to from the inner fender well before you put the other bolts in. And take the wire retainer and just push that on to the bracket right there. That's good. And take the inner fender well, slide that in place, and get the screws started. Tighten those down. Do the same on the other side. Now take the shield, get this lined up. And we'll take the screws, get the screws started. And up front. And there's a couple areas. There should be a couple other screws. This vehicle doesn't have those. Now I tighten these down. Now I'll put these screws in. And tighten those down. And take the weather strip seal, get those lined up, and install those. Push those in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.